fine dining.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning.
Welcome to Garden of Eden Restaurant. May I know if you have a table reservation, sir?
Yes, I have.
Okay, sir. May I know your name to check your reservation?
I am John Riaman.
It's nice to see you, Sir Junri. Wait for a while, sir. I'll just check your name on the reservation book.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry for keep you waiting, sir. Upon checking, you have reserved a table for one in a non-smoking area. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, it is.
Okay, sir. Your table is there. This way, please. Here we are, sir. This is your reserved table. Is this table okay for you, sir?
Yeah, it's fine.
Would you like me to assist you with your chair, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Would you like me to unfold the table napkin and put it onto your lap, sir?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Would you like to have a glass of water, sir?
Yes, please.
How would you prefer your water, sir? Should it be cold, warm, or sparkling?
Warm water, please.
Okay, sir. I'll be back to serve you warm water.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your warm water. Would you like me to pour it onto your water bubbly now?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Here is your warm water, sir.
Thank you.
Do you need anything else, sir?
Nothing.
Okay, sir. I'll be back to bring your menu for your selection. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Good morning. I am Mira, your food attendant for this morning, and it's my pleasure to serve you, sir. By the way, sir, here's our food menu for your selection. Do
Okay.
you need anything else, sir?
Nothing.
Would you like me to serve your bread now, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. I'll be back to serve your bread. Excuse
Thank
me.
you.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your bread.
Okay, thank you.
By the way, sir, do you need anything else?
Nothing.
Okay, sir. I'll be back to take your orders.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I take your orders now?
Yes. I would like to have a hot garlic soup and chicken and cheese salad. And for main course, I would like to have a grilled bacon.
Okay, sir. May I know if you have any food allergies, sir?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Okay, sir. If you don't have any allergies, would you mind if I suggest for your appetizer, would you like to have our mushroom burger? This is our best seller, sir.
Yes, please, I want that.
Okay, sir. How about our black forest eclair, sir, for your dessert?
No.
Okay,
I don't
sir.
like that.
Would that be all, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. May I repeat to you your orders? For your soup, you ordered hot garlic soup. And for your mushroom appetizer, you ordered mushroom burger. And for your salad, you have Caesar salad. And for your main course, you have grilled liempo. Would that be all, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Your food will be served for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I will be back to prepare everything that is necessary for service that you have chosen. Would that be alright with you, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Can I take the menu now?
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Would you like to have some beverage? Here's our beverage list for your selection.
Thank you.
Do you need anything else, sir?
Then,
Okay, sir. I'll be back to take your orders.
okay.
Excuse me, sir. Can I take your orders now?
I would like to have a Cabernet Sauvignon.
Okay, sir. Would that be all, sir?
Yes?
Okay, sir. May I repeat? Your order is Cabernet Sauvignon. Is that correct, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. When would you like me to serve your wine, sir?
After meal, please.
Okay, sir. Well noted, sir. And I'll be back to prepare your order, sir. Can I take the menu now?
Yes, sure.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. May I adjust the table for you and remove the unnecessary utensils that is not needed for the service you have chosen?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your hot garlic soup.
Thank you.
Be careful, sir. It's hot.
That's fine.
Excuse me, sir. Can I clear the soiled dishes for you?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here is your delicious mushroom burger for your appetizer.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I clear the soiled dishes for you?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. May I present to you your delicious Caesar salad? Enjoy, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I clear the cell dishes for you?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here is your delicious main dish, grilled liempo.
Okay.
Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I clear the served dishes for you?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you your order of Cabernet Sauvignon with a very good vintage year 1600 with an alcohol content of 15% alcohol per volume. It has 750 ml, sir. Would you like me to open it now, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Would you like to smell it now, sir?
Okay.
Would you like to try it now, sir?
Yes.
Another one, sir?
Yes, please.
Do you need anything else, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. If you need anything else, please call my attention.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Can I clear the table for you?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir.
Waiter.
Excuse me, sir. May I present to you your bill with a total of 550 pesos? How would you like to settle your account, sir? Should it be cash or through card?
I'll be able to cash.
Okay, sir.
Yes, 1,000 pesos.
Okay, sir. I received 1,000 pesos and I'll be back for your change. Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
excuse me, sir. Here is your change. 450 pesos.
By the way, keep it.
Thank you for your generosity, sir. I promise to share this with my colleagues. By the way, sir, I hope you enjoy your stay with us and we look forward to your next visit. Have a nice day, sir.
Okay.